Hi, this is Natalie Rydstrom from SBR Picks. Now today we're going to break down Atletico Madrid's Champions League odds and predict how far of a run they can make and what bets are worth a look at right now. Joining us now to help us run through Atletico Madrid's futures is Alex from Boom Betting Agency. Alex, welcome to the show today.
Hi, Nat.
Now, Atletico Madrid are in Group A, with their only real competition here being from Juventus to win the group. Atletico Madrid are priced to win the group. They're priced 2 above Juventus, who are priced 2.2, so just slightly behind there. They share the group with Olympiacos, priced 13, and Malmo, priced a very long 81. Who's your bet to win Group A, and is it really between the top two?
Logically, yes, Atletico and Juventus should really be the two forces in this group, but be aware of Olympiacos that did very good matches last year in Champions League. They were almost to take out Manchester United from Champions League. Okay, you will say to me that Manchester United had a disaster year. True. But in the groups and basically when they are playing home in front of 30,000 fanatics, in Greece, Olympiacos is doing incredible matches and scoring against them is really hard. And year by year they are improving and they really show quality football. But again, if they understand Atletico Madrid and Juventus, what they are dealing with, they should fight for this first place in the group. My bet to win the Group A is Juventus at an odd of 2.5.
Okay then. Now, Atletico Madrid are priced 1.11 to qualify and 1.25 as part of the dual forecast bet with Juventus. So little odds here, but offered in the straight forecast bet in front of Juventus, they're priced at 2.25. However, you're obviously going to go, I'm guessing you're going to go for Juventus and then Atletico Madrid in the straight forecast bet.
Yeah, if the choice of winning the group is Juventus, that means that I will bet Juventus to be in front of Atletico Madrid at the end of the finals matches of this group with an odd of 2.75. So again, a really good choice and value. I saw Atletico Madrid the start of the new season, and I think that they were better last season with Diego Costa as forward. But let's see if their new acquisition, Mario Mandzukic, a really good forward, will have the same results as Diego Costa. Atletico Madrid was always in the last 2 years a very defensive team. They know better to defend than to attack. They are playing better against big names than against small teams. So this is why I say that will be hard for them against Olympiacos and Malmo, at least when they are playing away at those two teams. This is another reason why I see Juventus as favorite in this group. A team that is creating more actions of scoring, that has really good middle, and I think that this year their quality is better than last year, even though last year Galatasaray took them out of Champions League very early in the knockout stages.
Well, talking of Mario Mandzukic, other market specific for Atletico Madrid is betting on their top goal scorer. And no surprise, it is Mario Mandzukic. He's the favourite. He's priced 1.9. Is he your bet to be Atletico Madrid's top goal scorer?
I like his odd. He's the only one that I'm thinking about also. So it will be weird not him to be the top scorer. I think he's the most talented forward at Atletico Madrid right now. I think it's a bet to take at 1.9, a really good value. He should definitely be the top scorer, and like that, he will show that he's a great asset in a very good team.
Well, another market offered is betting on how far they can make it in the competition, with the shortest odds for them being eliminated in the first knockout round, priced 2.25, followed by the second round, priced 3, and then the quarterfinals, priced 3.25. It's interesting to note that they do have the longest odds to win, and that's priced at 26. How far of a run do you think they can make?
To tell you the truth, I don't want to choose a bet like that for this specific team. It will be hard for them to arrive in the quarterfinals. I don't think that they will make it that far. So if it is finally to choose one of the values from these choices, I will say that they will be eliminated in the second round of the knockout matches, priced at 3. I don't see them going further than that this year.
All right then. Now, what's your top tip here for betting Atletico Madrid?
My top tip for Atletico Madrid comes from their top scorer Mario Mandzukic with an odd of 1.9. This is the most doable choice for this team. The rest bets are tricky and risky, so let's stay on that. I really cannot wait to give tips on the match of the groups, on a specific match. I have some really good ones about Atletico Madrid.
All right, well, I had a hunch there you were going to go for the Mario Mandzukic being top goal scorer there, priced at 1.9, and we look forward to hearing your tips on the specific matches. Alex is from Boom Betting Agency. For more information on Alex and Boom Betting Agency, simply click the link in the description below this video. Alex, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for the invitation, Nat.
The SBR Network offers free sports picks and game breakdowns, big money free betting contests year-round, a real-time Vegas-style odds monitoring service, and much more. So come see for yourself. To stay updated on SBR news and promotions, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Google+, and do be sure to subscribe to the Sportsbook Review YouTube channel to catch all our daily sports shows.